Hey everyone, I've come down to the basement and the back door. Here's the door. And as you can see, I just wanted to show a quick clip. We are in a monstrosity of, snow, and if you can see, the fence, well, look at that, is almost gone now. The fence is almost gone. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. I don't know if you can see that. It's going to come in. There we go. I mean, it's, I don't know what to say. There's the fence over there that's almost, and I don't know if I can peek around the corner. It's like, it's coming down like crazy. I just thought I'd show everybody in good old New England. Oh, look at my poor table. Now you can only see the tip of it, the tip of the chairs, and you can see that. God, if that gets covered, we're really in trouble. This is just insane. I mean, it's beautiful, but we don't have any more room. Those pine trees are so pretty, though. Well, that was it. I just wanted to do a quick little clip of in the snowstorm. Now they're saying probably 2 feet. Oh boy. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna go before my phone gets wet and then that breaks. Okay, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.